Okay, Acura MDX oil change, quick oil change. Okay, we're here at the bottom. So here's your drain plug, and here's your oil filter. This is on the passenger side, right side. So oil filter here, drain plug here. So you're gonna need a 17mm wrench to take the plug out. Okay, so we got new bolt and thrust washer. So removing now the oil filter. So watch with the, sometimes this O-ring here got stuck on the top of that oil inlet outlet, and make sure the O-ring is not there, because if you put the new filter with that old O-ring, it's gonna leak like crazy. Okay, so we have a new oil filter. In case if you're looking for the part number, mobile 1. And this is just hand tight. No tools required for this. That's it. So oil filter is in, new plug is in, and we go and fill up the oil. So in case if you want to know the oil, what kind of oil this vehicle takes, it's 5W20, and even it says on the cap. So you should not make a mistake with this. So now to fill up the oil, it's a little bit tricky, because the way they put the filler cup, it's just over there, like down there the corner, it's hiding and stuff. So you're gonna need this flexible funnel so that you can squeeze it and put it in there. Like so. Then you start pouring the oil. Okay, so to check here, after you put the oil, I believe it will take 5 liters for the whole thing. And here's your dipstick. Just pull it out, and just right about full. Right, so that's good, and that's it. You're done. Thank you for watching.